Hello everyone. I was facing an error, that is a indentation error, unexpected indent. This is the error which we are facing. My all codes are written correctly, but I was facing this error. So this error occurs because the indentation of this loop, if else loop, is not done properly. Because Python is an requires the proper indentation in the in the loop and all the statements. So if we'll start from this here, then it will read properly and error will get resolved. Now if we will run our program, then we can see error has been resolved. Yeah, thank you.